The Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC, has placed all its units in alert footing in view of the approach of Tropical Storm Glenda. NDRRMC Executive Director Alexander Pama ordered the alert so they could deal with possible emergencies that may be brought about by the weather disturbance. Pama said he has already met with his counterparts in the DILG, DSWD, Pagasa, and Mines and Geosciences Bureau to discuss and effectively respond to the possible destructive effects of Glenda. These include possible storm surges and landslides.
We appeal to the local chief executives po. Kung talagang wala silang kopya, wag na po tayong magkahiyaan, sabihin wala kaming kopya ng hazard maps para matugunan po natin kaagad. Ang pakay po natin dito, hindi para malaman kung sinong sikat, kundi para malaman natin at matugunan so that we can all be safe. Ano? And we would like to appeal even to the local chief executives na to come forward if you need help. That's what we are here for in the national government. It will take the cooperation of everyone. Kahit gusto pong lumikas ng ating mamamayan, kung kulang din po sa impormasyon, tutugunan po natin yan sa abot ng ating makakaya. I just would like to remind everybody we are all working on a very, very limited time.
Lahat ho ng mga mayor sa mga affected areas ay binibigyan na po ng mga advisories po namin for landslide and flood threat advisories para po sila ay makapaghanda. Ito hong mga advisories na ito ay binibigay right after matapos po namin ang aming geohazard assessment and mapping. At ngayon po na merong nakaambang panganib dulot ng Glenda, ito po ay nire-reissue.
Yung mga lugar na flood prone at saka landslide prone, ang mga LGUs natin ay alam na rin nila yon dahil matagal-tagal na rin naman tayong gumagawa ng community-based risk assessment. And yung yung location ng mga evacuation centers ay nakabase doon sa mga areas na flood prone and landslide prone. So yun yung elevated na areas na magsisama sa population ng low-lying areas o landslide prone areas. So nakahanda na po ang LGUs, alam na po nilang kailangan gawin.